Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to play Prizepicks Nba, a daily fantasy sports platform that allows you to win cash prizes by predicting the performance of your favorite NBA players. To get started, you need to understand the core concept of Prizepicks, which is to pick over or under on a player's projected stats. First, you need to create an account on the Prizepicks website or mobile app. Once you have created your account, you can browse through the available NBA games and players. Each player will have a projected stat line, which includes points, rebounds, assists, and other relevant metrics. To make a pick, simply select the player you want to choose and decide whether you want to pick over or under on their projected stat line. For example, if a player is projected to score 22 points, you can choose to pick over 22 points or under 22 points. You can also combine multiple picks to create a parlay, which can increase your potential winnings. The next step is to set the amount you want to wager on your pick. The minimum wager amount is typically $5, and the maximum amount varies depending on the player and the projection. Once you have set your wager amount, you can confirm your pick and wait for the game to start. The outcome of your pick is determined by the player's actual performance in the game. If you picked over and the player exceeds their projected stat line, you win. If you picked under and the player falls short of their projected stat line, you also win. If the player exactly hits their projected stat line, your wager is refunded. One of the key strategies to winning on Prizepicks is to research the players and teams before making your picks. Look at the player's recent performance, their matchup, and any injuries or trends that may affect their game. You can also use data and analytics tools to help you make informed decisions. In addition, it is essential to manage your bankroll effectively. Set a budget for yourself and stick to it. Do not chase losses or bet more than you can afford to lose. Prizepicks also offers a risk-free first bet for new users, which allows you to try out the platform without risking your own money. In conclusion, playing Prizepicks Nba is a fun and exciting way to engage with the NBA and win cash prizes. By following these steps and strategies, you can increase your chances of winning and make the most out of your experience. Remember to always do your research, manage your bankroll, and have fun.